Hello everyone. Welcome to Geometric Artwork. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw this geometric pattern together. For this geometric pattern you will need an HB pencil, an A3 paper, a technical compass, a technical pen, and a triangle ruler. Draw a circle in the center of the paper. Mark for equal parts on the circle. Adjust the technical compass as you wish. Keeping the technical compass unchanged, draw an arc from point A and another one from point B. By the direction of the center of the big circle and the intersection points of the arcs, mark point C on the circle. Draw the arcs from point A and C by adjusting the technical compass as you wish. That's the middle point of A and C. Adjust the technical compass to the size of AD. Adjusting the compass as much as AD, mark the whole circle till you'll have 16 equal parts. Connect the 2 points as you see in the video. For more accuracy, adjust the technical compass to 1 centimeter. Mark both sides starting from the middle point. Now you have divided that part to 5 millimeters parts. Adjust the technical compass to the size of AD. Starting from point E, mark the circle as you see in the video. Let's divide the whole circle to 5 millimeters pieces. Continue this for the whole circle. Divide the diagonal line to 5 millimeters parts. Draw a line from the center of the circle to point A. Continue as it is shown in the video. Do the same thing for the other half. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. correspondence on the other half. Did you like this pattern? Write your comment down below.